Hello, self lovers. Welcome to another episode of Komal Speaks Self Love. In today's episode, we are going to talk about 6 human needs that are essential to live a awesome, self loving life. As self lovers, it's important that we live a balanced life. If there is no balance, then what is the point of self love? Self love is supposed to make us feel really, really good and be compassionate with yourself, with ourselves when we're in pain, right? Being able to deal with pain and pleasure with confidence is what self love is all about. And these 6 rules of life, needs of life, will make you so complete, so educated that you can deal with your emotional needs much more maturely. So let's get started. The first one is your need is first one, consistency. I have not been a consistent person, but you see my YouTube now, I have been posting consistently, and you will not believe it. I've been going to the gym for almost a year now, consistently, without telling anyone, and just being on my own. And how did I pull this off? Because I knew the value of consistency. If you don't know where do you start, just start off today by starting any habit that you want, doing it 5 minutes each day. 5 minutes is your only goal. You give yourself credit, you celebrate that 5 minutes, saying that, oh, I did it for 5 minutes, I am amazing, and you go on doing this for like years together. And after 5 minutes you feel like, oh, I could go for 15 minutes, and it's 5 minutes has turned to 1 hour and you do not know that, right? So consistency put your minds to ease that okay, it's predictable, the world is predictable, right? So consistency in this way, like for example, I have a routine now. People have a routine for a reason. They want some predictability. I know I was someone who liked unexpected things. I was very random and all of that. I was a freelancer as well, which helped me in some ways, but some places I felt like I did not know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So I that's not something I liked. And consistent consistency helped me ground and understand, okay, at least this is going to be there tomorrow and I can work on this one. So consistency is really important if you want to build anything tangible. You got to be consistent. Okay, the second need is contrast. Have you ever been in a certain routine and you feel like something is missing? I don't know what that is, but something is definitely missing. So that is contrast for you. This is the main reason why people travel, because they want to see something other than what they already have in their life. Contrast could also mean, okay, you've been really happy, but what after that? There might be something or the other that bothers you, that you want to change in your life, because life is about expansion and growing and detecting that contrast, detecting that change in your life, dealing with it, and becoming even more happier than you already were. And if you don't do that, the environment, the nature, the universe will push you into doing things that are difficult, because growing is the only constant in life, change is the only constant in life, and you gotta be accepting of that change. It took me a lot of time to accept change, but it did come to me when I became more emotionally balanced with time. So I understand the value of contrast. If everything is going well and you feel that something is missing, you gotta change something in your house maybe, or change something about the way you work, or level it up with something, or change your job, or like do something that is out of the blue. Then you will surprise yourself, you will not feel the same. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is love. Everyone needs love, and by love I mean, okay, the definition of love that Teal provides is seeing something as a part of you. So someone has to see you as a part of themselves. If you don't have family, then you could have friends who consider you a part of you. When you're hurt, they're also hurt. When you're happy, they're also happy. Such kind of a relationship. It is really important to invest in these relationships very frequently, because I personally believe, and what I do is I send my mother a very happy text saying, I love you, mom, and good morning, and stuff like that. And I have a few more friends who I send good morning to, and I say, hey, have a great day, or something like that. I call them weekly once, or whenever I feel like I do that, because it's really important for me to feel connected. Otherwise, I'm gonna feel like nobody loves me. This is a basic human need, and if you learn to invest in these frequently, consistently, you will feel much more calm. So this is really important. Every now and then I feel weird, like something is off. That's only because I've not spoken to my loved ones, people who put me at ease. So try this. Importance in life, it's really important that you have an identity and people see it for who you are. And whenever that need is not met, you feel like you're not important, like you don't matter. Whether you live or not doesn't matter. And I have lived with this for so long. Even now I deal with this because I feel unseen. And slowly I have started to present myself in a way I feel seen, and people are actually recognizing, and all of that is happening. If you feel seen, I'm so happy for you. And if you know some ways to make yourself feel seen, drop that in the comment. So the fourth one is contribution. So no matter who that person is, they want to do something for others. That's like purpose of our anybody's life. I think, be it the housewife, they want to do something for their children, or be it a small village farmer, he want to do something for others in his community. First, I'd like to emphasize that first basic needs of one person should be met, and that's when he would be able to serve others, and that criteria should be met, I think. Because if you don't have anything and you're going around and giving people value, that's not going to be such a great thing. So this whole page is all about self-love first, and then you love others. But I think to feel actually complete, you need to recognize that you are serving. Sometimes we're not even aware that we're serving. For example, I work for a firm, but if you ask me how do I contribute, I can't really pinpoint and say that, hey, this is what I do and this is how I contribute. But I've been making a huge change in my firm by being a graphic designer. And if I don't see it myself, it's already there, that my designs are out there and they are making a difference, even though I don't feel like that. My point is, it is out there, you just need to go and acknowledge it. And if you want to consciously bring in such a change, then go ahead and do that. There are so many people starting up who want to serve people and who want to make money out of it. Okay, so the next one is expansion, that is growth. Growth is everyone's basic necessity as a human. If you want to grow, that's just natural to you. You have a desire, you achieve that desire, and you have another desire. Your desires never stop if you're a human. And we never reach that enlightenment part where we feel like, oh, then that is just a phase that you have. We all have desires and we all have the urge to go and achieve it. So let's accept it. Right, so let's recap. So we have consistency, we have contrast, we have love, we have importance, contribution, and expansion. Like, just understand the value of these things in your life and design your life in a way you can balance these things whenever required. And these blocks that you have in your mind, that okay, something is missing, these are the things that are missing, go and do these things. I make sure that I have one habit each that meets these requirements. I hope this video helped you, and if you want more info, please hop on to Teal Swan's page, which is also on YouTube. And I truly admire her, and some of my self-love tips come from her. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.